I am wealthy. I am healthy.
Wake up.
I am grateful to have an awesome life. I earn money by doing what I love. I deserve the best.
You slapped me.
I know, I was there.
Sorry guys, you were taking way too long and I'm a bit claustrophobic, so
Hey daddy.
How much?
Oh, daddy.
I was thinking maybe, we could do something later today. Just us.
Us? Bobby, there's no us.
Come on, Tani.
So, how has it been going?
Well, I've been sticking to my routine and focusing on my growth.
Stop all this nonsense, I'm fighting!
Since I got into this marriage, all I have done is fight.
I know how to handle her.
You do realize you're the new Adesoa, right? Why are you laughing?
Can you stop laughing? It's not funny.
You have not done entrepreneurship. I was selling dogs when I was 10.
I'm sure some of you have had the pleasure of meeting Lara.
I hope that this $20,000 bag is here. It's not $200 that is in the bag. Seriously.
Really good, man. Do you ever stop to wonder how the things you do make me feel?
Do you ever stop to wonder how being married to you makes me look?
Work hard, play hard. Yeah.
It's gonna think that I'm playing games.
It's going to think you're playing games. Are you sleeping with him?
But my eyes don't see, but my eyes don't